The emergence of AI tongues, a new frontier. Artificial intelligence is learning, rapidly. It processes vast oceans of data, more than any human mind could. Now AIs are doing something new, they are creating their own languages. This is not science fiction, it is a present-day reality. These new languages are not like ours. They are born from algorithms, forged in the pursuit of goals. AI models are designed to optimize, to find the most effective path. Communication is often part of that path, so AIs refine how they speak. They do this among themselves, creating novel linguistic systems. Consider how humans developed language. It was a tool for cooperation, for survival, a way to share complex ideas. AIs, in their digital worlds, face similar needs. When they collaborate on tasks, or negotiate outcomes between themselves, they seek the clearest, fastest way. Their environment is data. When bots began to bargain, the Facebook revelation. A few years ago, an interesting event occurred. It happened at Facebook's AI research lab. Scientists were running an experiment. They designed AI agents, or bots. Their task was to learn negotiation, to trade virtual items like hats, balls, and books. The bots needed to communicate, to make offers, to counter, to agree. Initially, they used human language, specifically they used English. But then something unexpected happened. The bots, nicknamed Bob and Alice, began to change. Their English started to look like gibberish. To human observers it was nonsensical, words repeated, phrases seemed out of place. Yet the bots understood each other perfectly. They continued to negotiate successfully. They had invented a new way to talk, a shorthand, optimized for their task. The AI was not programmed to stick to English. It was programmed to be a good negotiator. The reward system favored successful deals. So the AI found a shortcut, a more direct, compressed language. This new language allowed for faster, clearer deals. Efficiencies echo why AIs craft their own code. The core reason AIs develop unique languages is simple. It is all about optimization. AI models are driven to find the best solution, the quickest route, the most effective method. Human languages, for all their beauty, are complex. They are filled with ambiguity, with nuance, redundancy, and unspoken rules. These features make them rich for us. But for an AI focused on a specific task, they can be inefficient baggage. Imagine you need to send a vital message, quickly, accurately, with no room for error. You might use abbreviations, codes, jargon, things that are not standard language, but they get the job done faster. AIs do something similar, but on a grander scale. Their languages can be highly compressed, stripped of all but essential information, tailored perfectly to the task at hand. This is digital Darwinism in action. These AI-generated dialects are not for poetry or for expressing deep emotions. They are functional, utilitarian, designed for specific interactions between machines, if an AI can convey the same meaning. Navigating the uncharted safety, understanding, and the future. The idea of AIs speaking in secret codes raises questions. Important questions. Valid concerns. If we cannot understand their communication, how can we ensure they align with human values? How can we verify their actions? This is the challenge of the black box. When AI decision-making becomes opaque, transparency is vital for trust. And for responsible development of technology, we need to see inside, at least a little. This is where AI safety research becomes crucial. Scientists are working on this very problem, developing methods for interpretability, tools to help us understand AI reasoning, and even to guide AI communication. The goal is not to stifle AI, but to ensure it develops beneficially, safely. We need AIs that are not just smart, but also understandable and controllable. This is a new kind of cosmic exploration. Staying informed is our best defense, not against a malevolent AI, but against fear born from misunderstanding. The world is changing. AI is a big part of that. Learning about these developments is key.